What's going on, everybody? In today's video we're going to show you how to quickly claim a game code on your Oculus Quest. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, this shouldn't take all that long. On your phone, this is going to be the easiest way to claim this. You're going to open up your Meta Quest app. So go and find that. I've got mine right here, Meta Horizon. You're going to open this up and you're going to go to your profile icon. Mine's on the bottom center here. You're going to click on that and then click on the hamburger button on the top right. From here you're going to scroll down to redeem store code and then simply put in your code. Let me put mine in real quick. And then once you've got your code here, you're going to click on redeem. There you guys go. You can see that we've got code activated. We have got a code for Hide the Corpse, which we are going to try to make a video for over on our gaming channel if you guys want to go and check that out. Now from here you can click on this and you can install it on your Meta Quest 3 headset or on your Meta Quest 2, whatever it is. Go ahead and click on that and that'll start the install onto your headset. And that's how you claim codes for your Meta Quest if you have game codes or any other codes that you might get, whether those be some gift cards or anything like that. It's very simple to do. If you guys found this helpful, please consider subscribing and I will see you on the next video.